up? It's Kristen. Today I have something that I haven't done in a while, which is an Amazon Prime wardrobe unboxing for you. So if you don't know about Amazon Prime, you have to have Prime to get this Amazon wardrobe Prime. So it's cool. I have 8 items that I picked, and we'll get into it. I'm not sure exactly what I picked. I can't remember, but it came really quick. I literally did this on Friday and it came today on a Sunday. So if you like these kind of videos, we'll go over what it's all about and the prices and everything. Just keep on watching. So we're gonna get into the bag. This is a reusable bag. You just pull, I usually get boxes, but this one is a bag that I can send back anything that I do not want. It looks like items are in bags. So let's pull everything out and let's see what we got here. Wow. All right. So I'm going to pull everything out of the bags and then come right back. Okay, so I have the little card that was in there, and this is Amazon wardrobe, try before you buy. And it says how it works. Try everything on. You have 7 days to decide what you love. Complete your purchase or return at amazon.com/your orders. Return your items. Put items in box or bag and peel back strip to reseal. Stick return label on top. Here is my return label. And then there is a list of prices. I don't know what this is. Gift receipt. And I just check out on my Amazon orders. So I'll have let's get the prices right here. All right, so the first item that I have here is just a plain black 3/4 length dress that I can wear to work. It's super pretty. This is the Daily Ritual item, and let's see here, So this is the Daily Ritual women's jersey 3/4 length sleeve scoop neck t-shirt dress, black extra small. It's only $20. So that's not a bad price. If you can see through it, then it is, but I think that you can't. Okay, so this is Amazon Essentials. This is a maxi dress, which it cinches at the waist and it's long. I don't think there's any slits. No, there's not. So let's see what this is. And Amazon Essentials, women's solid tank, Amazon Essentials women's solid tank waisted maxi dress in burgundy extra small, and it's only $26. So that's really nice. We'll see how that looks on. It cinches at the waist, but we shall see. It's super soft as well. Okay, next we have some jeans. They're cute, super distressed. They have distressing on the front and some distressing in the back, and they're frayed at the bottom. And these are CoverGirl. So these are the CoverGirl high-waisted, cute, ripped, and repair blue jeans skinny juniors, light 1, and they're $27.92. So they're cute. We'll see what they look like. They're stretchy as well. So I don't know. We'll see. Next, I have another dress. I thought this was really pretty. It's super soft. It has like flowers on it. And it's across at the front, cinched at the waist, and it's just a pretty dress. So here is the pattern. You can see just some red flowers and white flowers. And this is Lark and Row. And this is the Lark and Row women's short sleeve fixed wrap waist dress, black mini tulip, size 0, and it's $35. I thought this was cute to wear to a trade show that I might be going to. So we shall see what it looks like on. All right, next, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, okay, this is just a long dress, Racerback dress that I got. And it's super long. Doesn't look like there's any slits in it. It's just like a t-shirt dress. Very cute, super lightweight, long. And this is Alternative Women's Echo Racerback Maxi Dress, Echo Gray, extra small. And this is $30.20. It's not bad. Really cute, pretty. And this was like a steal. I think I could wear this as a cover up if it's not like super huge. So this is just like a white dress. I'm not sure if you can see through it. It has like this at the bottom and here, and then you turn it around and there's a slit in the back. This was super cheap. This is by Mod-O. Mod-O women's cotton jersey lace hem tank dress, white extra small, $5.73. So I thought this was a steal for that for $5. So we'll see what that looks like. Everything's falling over. All right. Next are another pair of jeans from the CoverGirl brand. They look exactly the same. The only thing has cuff bottoms, and these are super cute. They look exactly the same in the back. And these are CoverGirl high-waisted, cute, ripped and repair, skinny juniors classic 1, $27.92, same price. So we'll see how these fit and what they look like. And last but not least is a pair of gray denim, which I just got a pair of gray denims, which I love, from my selfie styler box. This is Daily Ritual gray, just regular skinny jeans. And let's see how much these are. Okay, so these are Daily Ritual women's mid-rise skinny jeans, high, low, gray, 24, regular, and they're $39. Okay, so that's everything that was in my Amazon Prime wardrobe. I'm gonna try everything on for you guys and let you know what I'm deciding to keeping. Okay, so let me bring you guys down. I tried these ones on. These fit. They're super comfortable. They're a little bit tight, but these pieces, it looks like pieces are like, I don't know. These are just weird. They're cute. They're stretchy, but they just don't fit right. And these ones, these don't fit at all. I couldn't even get them over my calf. So it's weird because of the same brand, maybe just a different cut, but these fit. But these pocket, like these holes here are weird. Like this is messed up. So I'm definitely not keeping these. But I do like the distressing on them. They look nice. They fit okay. I mean, but unfortunately I can't keep either of these. Okay, so here are the gray jeans. These are surprisingly super comfortable. They fit really nice. They fit all around, even in the back, they fit really nice. They're not like super tight, very stretchy. I do like these a lot. The only thing is they're a little bit big in the back here. But otherwise they're cute. They bunch a little bit right here. That's my only concern. So I need to think about these. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. This huge tag here, can't really see the back. They're cute. Here is the maxi dress. It's really cute, but the only thing I don't like right here is bunchy. Let me bring it down. So here it sits like right at my ankle. So I'm only 5'4". If you're looking for something a little bit longer, this is not for you. It does not have pockets. I do like the color though. It's super cute, adorable. But yeah, if it's a little bit longer, I probably would keep it. So let me bring you back up. The top, it's super nice. It fits really nice here. You can't see through anything, and it covers everything in the back. This would be cute for like a little cardigan that you could put over it, or you can wear like a belt or something. But yeah, I mean, this is not bad for the price. So let me know what you guys think. And it's super soft. Is this dress. It is super cute. Like it fits amazing. Like it falls perfectly. It's super lightweight. I love how it feels and fits. It does show a lot if you have anything sticking out here. You can see a little bit of mine, but it fits awesome. Like, I love how it flows at the bottom. Like, look how perfect that sits. Oh, I absolutely love this. So let's bring it up here. And here's the top. Only thing I don't like is it bunches out right here, and it bunches out right here in the boobs, but I don't know. If I cross my bra over, then you won't see it. But yeah, let me pull it over this way. It fits so cool and so nice. Like, this is perfect for summer. I love this for down the shore at the beach. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, next we have this black dress. So I'm gonna bring you guys down a little bit so you can see it's 3/4 length. It's so comfortable. Like, I love this a lot. It fits really nice. It hits right above the knee or at the knee. And it's not like clingy or anything like that. And I love the 3/4 length sleeve. So you could dress it up with a really pretty necklace and some black heels and some nice jewelry. So I think this would be really perfect. So I love this a lot. Okay, next is this dress. It fits perfect. It's across here and it's tight in the waist. It fits super nice, really pretty. Hits right above the knee, but I'm not like a pattern flower person, but this is really comfortable. Like, I like it a lot, and it's really nice, flowy. If it was black, maybe I would just keep it, but I just don't really care for the print on here. So let me know what you guys think. The last item was this $5 dress. It's cute, but I think if it was a little bit shorter, it would be perfect. If it went like right here, I could cut it and sew it, but I'm not sure if I want to do that. It's only $5. So I don't know. Like, you can see the detailing here, and it's like 2-piece, and then it cuts open in the back, but it's super long. Like I said, I mean, I could sew it, take it in, but I'm not sure if I really want to do that. But it's really nice. I like it a lot. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to come back and let you know my final thoughts and what I've decided to keep. Okay, so I'm back here. These are the items that I'm going to send back, and I'm going to give you the reasons why. So this white dress, I mean, this would be cute if you're going to like a wedding or something like that, or a rehearsal for something, but unfortunately I didn't really even care for it for $5. I could hem it, but then it wouldn't fit right. So I'm kind of on the fence about it. So we'll see. It's only $5. Next is this dress here. I'm not a big fan of the pattern, unfortunately, so I'm gonna send that back. These jeans, they fit really nice, especially in like my butt area. So I might get these in a future box, but I'm gonna end up sending these back because I just got a pair from my selfie styler that fit really nice, and they're silver jeans. And so we're gonna pass on these. These 2 pairs of jeans from CoverGirl, they just didn't fit right. So I'm gonna pass on both of these pairs. Unfortunately, they just weren't me. And last but not least, for the not keeping items, is this maxi dress. It is pretty. It's super flowy and soft, but it just was a little bit too short for me. So I'm gonna pass on that. So the 2 items that I'm probably gonna be keeping is this black dress, because I can wear this for work functions that I have coming up, and I think it's adorable. Dress it up with a nice necklace and some open-toed wedges, and that you're good to go. So yeah, keeping that. That's only like $20. And this was $30. This, I love this. I love how it fit and how it flowed. It was such a wild card. And this was like $30 from Alternative. This long dress with the Racerback, I love it. And I think it's adorable. So those are the 2 items I am keeping. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm gonna be doing some other boxes. I know you guys requested a mix and match, so I'm gonna be doing that as well. And I'm gonna be reviewing some other items, so stay tuned. And thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.